Hey, yo, 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 yo. Let's take a look. So we are going to check chapters 19 through 20 of the Iliad. Once again, like we've said in every video, this should be synonyms. So words that you did not know, you found a word to replace it to help you remember, okay? So let's come down to the juicy part, to the action, guys, okay? So we knew at the end of the last chapters there was going to be an intense battle. Let's see what happened, okay? So while Achilles' armor was being made, Patroclus was buried or burned, you can say either one. And Achilles shouted, "Hector!" So all the Trojans could see him. So again, Achilles is so mad because his friend is gone. Okay? So while they are getting taking care of Patroclus, taking care of the body, Achilles is getting angry. He's getting excited. He's saying, "Hector, I'm coming for you." All right? Achilles will make peace with Agamemnon and go to war. So he is ready. We finally see him after so many chapters of chilling by the boats. We see him ready. Okay? All right, so now we have chapter 20, Achilles and Hector. Super intense battle, guys. This is famous in the Greek mythology and history. This is a famous, famous scene, okay? So Agamemnon spoke to Achilles saying that he was blinded by Zeus, fate, and anger. That's a tricky one in there, but it's fate. And Achilles wanted to fight after the men are fed, so they're kind of preparing for this battle, all right? Hector boasted that he was not afraid to confront Achilles, so we have this kind of trash talk going back and forth, right? And Hector proposed that no outrage will come to either corpse. Okay? So now Achilles, so he fights and stabs Hector. This is intense. This is a really big moment for Achilles, for his soldiers, for his warriors, right? And Achilles, instead of just like letting it go, right? Like, I killed Hector. He drags Hector's dead body around the walls of the city. So he ties it up to his chariot and boom, just circles the city again and again and again. Bedtime story, like we've talked about. Super nice. We love it, okay? Really intense part, guys. Really important part to the book, and we will talk a little bit more about why in class, but you need to know that, okay? So let's look here at our figurative language. So simile, he dropped like a bull onto the bloody ground. Bedtime story, we love it. And personification, Don revealed the sleeping figure. So again, Don is that person, okay? So guys, go back, check what you need here, but really key parts here. Hopefully you don't have too many nightmares from it, but make sure you have what you need on your packet, and we will move on from there.